Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, it's JanscrazyLife. So I just have a project share. I know it's been a long time, but okay, let's start with this book first. So this book is a book I made for a friend of mine. It's a surprise. And I kind of did a couple of lives where I was kind of making it. So if you've watched those, you kind of seen some of the gist of it. But the front cover has like this really pretty vintage image of a dog. It's got these butterflies and it says it never gets easier, you just get better. And then there is this beautiful butterfly that kind of comes out, and vintage image of dog, pretty lace, there's sewing. This fabric is like a vintage kind of upholstery fabric. It's so pretty. And then the strings are different sizes because the way it ties in the front is, it just kind of, I don't know, I like the way the flowers kind of hold it together. And the hardest part is unwinding it. So in here, it's like vintage, and like I have a hard time with vintage because I like modern, bright, clean. I'm more shabby chic than vintage kind of. So there's a lot of glitter to make it more my style. And so there's this beautiful vintage lace in here that is I use to make pockets in the book. And then there's just like vintage photos throughout, and the hello is in glitter. If you can see this, I have this beautiful trim. There's a lot of sewing in here, and this is all right. Sorry guys, phone ring, and need to turn the ringer off now that I'm thinking about it. And my Elijah woke up, so you'll probably hear him.
I want to play a clip.
Okay, hold on a second. I don't know where it's at. Hold on a second. Use Nernie's. Where's Nernie's at? Alright, so there is a tuck pocket here with this cute vintage, and there's a lot of sewing. There's this beautiful little purse with glitter. I hope the camera's picking up the glitter. So every page has stamping in it, and it's kind of faded, and I hope the camera's picking it up, and it's the Lord's Prayer. And then, but you can still, the person can write over it. And then I left like every other page not decorated because they can glue stuff in, and the book pages are kind of like what I love to do every time, so glue stuff to it. There is this beautiful little pocket here. This is an idea that I got from Kat, and these are removable. It's like a little envelope, and it says, in a gentle way you can shake the world, right? So cute. And then there is just more, so like there's a place to write, and it says all you need is love. And then it's sewed in, but it's kind of a tuck. And then turn the page. So I'm just kind of do a, how pretty, sorry. Okay. I just showed her. It's so pretty. And then there is this beautiful bingo card, and there's like a little, I kind of left it to where it kind of flips out a little bit. And there's this butterfly, and then the next page is just kind of different papers. It says follow your bliss and universe will open doors where there was only walls. And then the bike is glittered. And then skip to that page. How pretty is that butterfly, right? And it is vellum on top that I sewed on there, and it's a shortcut to make long delays. And then that rose is so pretty. And then here is the inside. So I sewed this little pocket envelope, right? And then it has this beautiful butterfly. So behind here there's a tuck spot with the bingo card, and then here's this beautiful lace pocket in the center, and then it's got this beautiful image that I put glitter on it, and just kind of layered up different aspects right here. So pretty. And then that is that page, and then there's that one. Look at that sewing machine, is so pretty, especially with the glitter. And then there's that one, and then there's this one, and this has like a little tuck. So there's a bingo card, this card's sewn on, which made a little tuck, and then I just stuck one of those vintage Tim Holtz pictures in there. And then there's this one. And then there is this image. And this image. This one. And then there are, this is a tuck spot, this is the back, little, where it has the lace, and then here, oh, I need to stick that back in there. So here is, and I gotta cut the string off because it'll drive me insane. Alright, so here's the back, and it says, be the change you want to see in the world. There's some more strings. Alright, and then here is the back of it, and there's just this little image, and then back here it just has this beautiful butterfly that I glued on. It says, handmade by JanscrazyLife. So that is the first one. And then the second one is, I use this vintage kind of, it's like a vintage kind of throw blanket. It's kind of upholstery, it reminds me. And I just kind of pulled strings to give it like this kind of ruffled bohemian kind of look. And then it has like different textures, and there's these beautiful flowers, and then it says hello right there. And it says, never let fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. And then it's got just a lace closure. And here is the front, and it's got beautiful fabric. It's got a beautiful fabric, like vintage sheet music on it. And there is a little purse in the front, and just a little journaling. And then it says, I craft so hard I fart glitter, and like this book is perfect to say that. So it has that same beautiful trim right here, and then there is that image book page, and then it says, it is always the simple that produced the marvelous. And then there's this beautiful, like, the bike is glittered, and then there's this page. The world is full of magical things, patiently waiting for our wits to grow sharper. And then there is that. I love that image. I like where this time I put like little glitter in her hair. And then there is this one. And Light Tomorrow with Today. I thought that was really cute. And then here is the same kind of concept as the other one, where it has like a tuck spot with something behind it, beautiful butterfly, a little image inside of here with a beautiful bird. It's like a vintage kind of image. And so there is a bike in this pretty flower pocket, and I put that same, ooh, the glitter in here because I love the image. And then this pocket is fabric. And then there's that one. I'm trying to make it where you can see the glitter on the butterfly. There is that one. And that one, I thought that was really cute, and just kind of put glitter throughout. There's that one. And that one. And then last but not least is the back page, and here is a little pocket here. And I thought that this came out really cute, and I just wanted to do a project share to show these two books. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.
About anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing